Imagine working with tools that feel straight out of the future. Faster, stronger, and insanely precise. This is Smart Tools, where we bring you the wildest woodworking and construction gear that actually changes the way you build. Stick around and smash that subscribe because this is just the beginning. All product links are in the description. Product 1. Crank Drawer Front Mounting Tool Pro Kit. Install drawer fronts like a professional cabinet maker in seconds. 7 precision setting guides create consistent gaps across all drawers automatically. Adjustable spacers work perfectly with kitchen cabinets, office furniture, and bathroom vanities. This eliminates hours of tedious measurement and reduces costly mistakes. Transform amateur projects into showroom-quality results. Product 2. Heavy-duty deck straightening tool. Align warped deck boards with professional-grade precision using quenched wear-resistant steel construction. This tool generates massive leverage to force stubborn boards into perfect position before fastening. The ergonomic design lets one person do what normally requires two workers. No more gaps or uneven boards that ruin deck appearance. Build decks that look professionally installed every single time. Product 3. Kokiri Japanese Block Plane 50mm. Experience hand planing precision that Japanese woodworkers have perfected over centuries. The 50mm blade creates glass-smooth surfaces on hardwoods and softwoods with minimal effort. Product 4. Lunettal 1/4-inch socket set with deep hole markers. Tackle tight spaces with 1/4-inch drive sockets featuring deep reach capabilities up to 15 inches. Heat-treated chrome vanadium steel with phosphate coating resists corrosion in harsh environments. The 70-2 ratchet provides 5-degree swing arc for confined areas. This eliminates the frustration of stripped fasteners and inaccessible bolts. Professional mechanics choose this for automotive and machinery repair. Product 5. Galax PRO Power Oscillating Tool Cordless. Cut, sand, grind, and scrape with 20-volt lithium battery power that charges in 45 minutes. Variable speed control from 5,000 to 20,000 oscillations per minute handles any material. LED work light illuminates dark corners while the tool-free accessory change saves precious time. This replaces 5 separate corded tools with one portable powerhouse. Complete home renovations without dragging extension cords everywhere. Product 6. Voltec 200-watt power inverter for dual 20-volt. Transform any dual battery into portable AC power delivering to 100 watts continuous to 50 peak. Run laptops, lights, phone chargers, and small appliances directly from your existing tool batteries. Compact design fits in toolboxes while dual outlets power multiple devices simultaneously. This eliminates the need for generators on remote job sites. Work anywhere with the battery system you already own. Product 7. Max Power F-Clamp to Piece Multifunctional Set. Secure workpieces with 15 3/4-inch maximum opening and 4.7-inch throat depth. Quick slide mechanism combined with ergonomic handle applies massive clamping pressure in seconds. Dual-purpose design works for woodworking, welding, assembly, and DIY projects requiring temporary hold. This prevents workpiece movement during cutting, drilling, or gluing operations. Professional fabricators rely on this for precise positioning. Product 8. Kokiri Honing Guide Sharpening Jig. Achieve razor-sharp edges on Japanese chisels and plane blades with perfect angle consistency every time. The precision roller mechanism maintains exact bevel angles during sharpening strokes on wet stones. Product 9. SNF Stead and Fast Electric Cardboard Cutter for Volt. Slice through cardboard, carpet, fabric, and packaging materials with cordless electric precision. The 4-volt lithium battery powers continuous cutting without blade dulling or hand fatigue. 2-in-1 design includes screwdriver attachment for quick box assembly or disassembly. This speeds up warehouse operations, moving preparation, and craft projects dramatically. Replace dangerous utility knives with safe, controlled cutting power. Product 10. Milescraft Track Saw Guide 1409. Turn any 7¼ inch circular saw into precision track saw with 50-inch cutting range. The aluminum track system delivers perfectly straight cuts up to 2-inch depth repeatedly. Universal design fits Bosch, Dewalt, Makita, Ryobi, and most circular saws without modification. This eliminates expensive track saw purchases while achieving identical professional results. Sheet goods, plywood, and panels cut like butter with zero wandering. Product 11. Yaoi electric caulking gun cordless. Apply silicone, adhesive, and sealant with for adjustable speeds and dual 2000 mAh batteries. The 10-ounce capacity with LED light provides perfect bead control in dark spaces. Electric motor delivers consistent pressure, eliminating hand cramping from manual guns. This includes 9 silicone caulking tools for professional finishing on every joint. Complete bathroom, kitchen, and weatherproofing projects 3 times faster. Product 12. Gardel Japanese pole sawed piece, cutwood with 15.2 cm flexible SK5 steel blade featuring dual cutting edges. Japanese pole stroke design requires less effort while producing incredibly smooth, precise cuts. Wooden handle provides comfortable grip during extended use on detailed woodworking projects. This tackles trim work, joinery, and fine carpentry that Western saws cannot match. DIY enthusiasts and professional woodworkers choose this for ultimate control. Product 13. Spiral featherboard for table saws. Keep workpieces pressed firmly against fence and table with spiral featherboard system. Fits standard 3/4-inch miter slots on Bosch, Ryobi, and most table saws. One-handed quick adjustments allow instant positioning changes without tools or complicated setups. This prevents dangerous kickback while ensuring consistent cut quality on every pass. Safer, smoother, and more professional results from your table saw immediately. Product 14. Nick Pro Mechanical Carpenter Pencil Set. Mark lumber, concrete, and rough surfaces with mechanical carpenter pencil featuring 26 refills. Deep hole marker reaches into confined spaces where standard pencils cannot access. Heavy-duty construction withstands job site abuse while the built-in sharpener maintains perfect point. This eliminates broken pencil leads and constant sharpening interruptions during layout work. Architects and construction professionals depend on this for accurate marking. Product 15. Crank Pocket Hole Jig K4. Create rock-solid wood joints with adjustable drill guides for materials 1/2 to 1½ inches thick. The versatile jig system produces invisible pocket hole joinery for furniture, cabinets, and face frames. Easily adjustable design accommodates different wood thicknesses without complex measurements or setup changes. This replaces expensive doweling jigs and eliminates visible fasteners completely. Build professional furniture that rivals store-bought quality. Product 16. Door Lock Mortise Jig Kit. Install door locks, hinges, and strike plates with precision mortise template system. Multiple router bit cutters handle new lock installation, eccentric locks, and maintenance repairs. The adjustable template works on standard doors while guide bushings ensure perfect depth control. This prevents costly door replacement from improper lock installation mistakes. Locksmiths and carpenters use this for flawless door hardware fitting. Product 17. Professional Tool Bag Large Capacity. Organize and transport tools with reinforced base construction and adjustable shoulder straps. Multiple compartments with smart organization keep frequently used items instantly accessible. Heavy-duty materials withstand job site demands while protecting expensive tools from damage. This eliminates wasted time searching through unorganized tool piles during critical work. Contractors choose this for efficient tool management on every project. Product 18. Precision Dovetail Marking Guide. Lay out perfect dovetail joints with 1 to 5, 1 to 6, 1 to 8, and 1 to 10 slope options. Extra large body with ergonomic design provides stable marking on drawer sides and cabinet components. The Precision Guide eliminates calculation errors and produces consistent dovetails across multiple pieces. This makes traditional hand-cut dovetails accessible to woodworkers at every skill level. Fine furniture makers rely on this for heirloom-quality joinery. Product 19. Router Table Miter Gauge. Achieve precision miter cuts with standard slot 3/4 by 3/8 inch aluminum construction. 18-inch grading with 15 angle stops provides repeatable accuracy on routing operations. Adjustable spring-loaded mechanism holds workpieces firmly during cutting while preventing dangerous slippage. Product 20. Heavy-duty magnetic level 24-inch. Level surfaces with point to millimeter accuracy using rare earth magnets for steel surface attachment. 3 bubble vials provide horizontal, vertical, and 45-degree angle readings simultaneously. Shock-resistant construction with machined edges survives drops and job site abuse for years. This replaces digital levels while providing faster, more reliable readings in any lighting. Professional contractors trust this for foundation, framing, and finishing work.